My name is Stephanie Perko, and I'm the office manager here at IntelliTect.
And my name is Grant Erickson, and I am the CTO here at IntelliTect. So applying to IntelliTect is really simple. There's a couple of different ways to do it. You can apply on Indeed, where you can look for IntelliTect and see what open jobs we have, or you can apply directly to jobs@intellitect.com. When you apply, we're going to be looking for a couple of things. First off is a resume. Second is a cover letter. So once you apply on Indeed or send something to jobs, for those ones that look like they may be a great candidate for a fit at IntelliTect, we will forward those on to Stephanie, and Stephanie will set up a time just to have a chat and do an initial screening.
And we may ask questions like, tell us about a time when you learned something, or tell us about a time when you were wrong about something, and then how you kind of overcame that, or a challenge that you experienced in an on-the-job situation.
In your past or present jobs, what did you like the best? Or what did you like the least? We're really looking to see not just in your work experience, but in your life experience. That helps us know how we can communicate with you and work with you.
When it comes to technical tests, we're looking for several pieces. Code samples are a really great way to show us what you can do. You should have what your GitHub account is, or if you have it somewhere else, wherever that is, we can get to it public, hopefully.
We really want to get an idea for not only the code that you write, but what the actual applications look like too.
If you need tips and tricks on how to write a technical resume, click on one of our other links and find out more.